Where are you?
Wow, the crab. Where is the crab?
I don't know. It's hiding.
It's hiding now.
It's a crab. Now where's the turtle?
Where's the tortoise?
Where's the tortoise?
It's hiding too.
Hmm.
They are so good at hiding. And last night he buried itself in the sand. Where is it? Have you seen it?
It's raining.
It's raining there.
It's open. It's open.
Oh, you mean the fish store? Yeah, I think it's open now, but it's raining. We can't go now. It's raining. We need to wait for the rain to stop, and then we can go to the fish store. And what are we buying?
Photo iron and charging and worms.
Okay. Yeah, it's hiding very well. You can see it. It's somewhere here in the tank, but it's hiding. Oh, look, look. The crab is there. The crab is here. The crab is here.
Wow, crab.
See. Look. It's very rare to see the crab because it's very good at hiding. Now we can see it very clearly. This is the biggest crab in this tank.
Clear.